Are you looking for the best cheap miter saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cheap miter saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ryobi 10-inch compound miter saw. Ryobi's 10-inch compound miter saw packs a punch and costs quite a bit less than $250. With its 14-amp motor, it produces up to 5,500 revolutions per minute, plenty of speed for cutting through dense materials. While its miter range is slightly smaller than other saws at this price point at 47 degrees to the left and right, its bevel range covers 45 degrees to either side, giving you more options when making compound miter cuts for trim. Other notable features include an LED cut line indicator for accuracy and a built-in work clamp. When it comes to matching cutting ability and price, the Ryobi 10-inch miter saw is virtually unbeatable. Up next in the 4th place is the Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound corded miter saw. Metabo. Despite costing less than almost any other miter saw I came across, its specs impress. A 15-amp motor powers its large, 10-inch blade. With a miter angle range of 52 degrees in either direction, it trims precisely and without hassle, and its built-in clamping system keeps workpieces secured to the table while you cut. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw is also one of the lighter models I found, weighing in at just under 25 pounds. Lighter miter saws are easier to store and transport to a job site. Its single bevel design limits its ability to make certain cuts, but still, it's an excellent value for the money. The 3rd product on our list is the Skil 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound corded miter saw. Skil packs plenty into this bargain-priced compound slide miter saw. With its 10-inch blade and slide design, it can cross-cut through a 12-inch wide board at 90 degrees or an 8-inch wide board at 45 degrees. It bevels left and right, giving you more versatility when trimming out a cabinet or installing baseboards. Its LED shadow line shows you exactly where the blade will strike the wood for added precision. Skil also positions the saw's trigger at the center of the handle, so it's accessible regardless of whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Skil makes high-quality, budget-friendly power tools, and this saw is certainly no exception. Second on our list is the DeWalt 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. DeWalt's power tools typically carry a premium price tag, but this one is an exception. While it may lack some of the features of the brand's high-end models, this miter saw still boasts excellent build quality. There's a sliding fence support that's taller than you'll find on most miter saws, and a whopping 14 stops on the detent plate for commonly used miter angles. The 10-inch saw is powered by a 15-amp motor and reaches speeds up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. While its single bevel design limits the cuts you can make, it has a broad miter range of 50 degrees to both sides. If you're looking for a heavy-duty miter saw that endures regular use at a reasonably affordable price, this 10-inch DeWalt single bevel miter saw fits the bill. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi 18V1 Plus 7/1/4-inch miter saw. Ryobi has made a name for itself by producing cordless power tools that rival those from pricier brands. This miter saw is one of them. It reaches cutting speeds up to 4,000 revolutions per minute and gets up to 900 cuts on a single charge, plenty for just about any home project. It's versatile, too, with an ability to bevel in either direction up to 45 degrees. And since it weighs less than 20 pounds, it moves easily in and out of storage. If you've already bought into the Ryobi family of 18-volt cordless tools and own a Ryobi battery or two and a charger, this combination of price and function is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope. to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.